Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shreya this side. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be very much exciting, as I'm going to talk about something really exciting. It's summer here and we all use sunscreens, right? Even previously I have made a video which was my top 5 favorite sunscreens which are under 399. I hope that video was very much beneficial to you all. So सनस्क्रीन हम लोग जब यूज़ करते हैं, कुछ सनस्क्रीन्स मैट होते हैं, कुछ ग्लॉसी होते हैं, बट हैव यू एवर हर्ड कि illuminating sunscreens होता है? We all use illuminating moisturizers or like Max Top Cream or like Sugar's Bling illuminating moisturizer. So yeah guys, Sugar have launched a Bling Leader illuminating sunscreen, yes, which you guys can wear and ये आप लोगों के स्किन को बहुत ही अच्छा शाइन देगा, नेचुरली शाइन. Even you can use it on your neck, on your hands, and like if you want to. And it has SPF35 PA+++. So let's see how the product looks like. So first of all, they have sent me their newly launched sunscreen, and look at the packaging. The back looks so much cute. The neon color, like neon works really well on summer. Neon color के bags, neon color के tops, like pop color के tops looks really nice on summer, right? So they have sent me this, and इस बैग के अंदर 2 सनस्क्रीन्स हैं यहाँ पे, जिसके अंदर जो शेड्स, एक है 01 Gold Tiggy and 02 Pink Ribbon. So let's review this product.
So I got this illuminating sunscreens as PR. So here's the packaging. I mean, how cute the bag looks. So the outer packaging of the sunscreens looks like this. And we have to appreciate one thing, that Sugar put a lot of efforts on packaging. I mean, their all products look so different and good. It's in the shade 01 Gold Digging. So here's the texture of the product. And this is after blending. I hope you guys definitely able to see the illuminating shine, and now I will show you by applying it on my face. इससे आप लोगों को proper texture भी समझ आएगा. This is SPF35 PA+++ sunscreen. It's a super light formula that gets absorbed so quickly without leaving behind any white cast or greasiness. Also, it's perfect for no makeup look. Here's the second shade, 02 Pink Ribbon. This is 100% vegan oil-free sunscreen. It's ideal for daily use and works great to prep skin so that makeup goes smooth and flawless. This shade is cool pink with pearl tint. Its nourishing texture leaves a pretty sheen and makes skin looks healthy and radiant. It is infused with sodium hyaluronic to boost skin elastically and restore moisturize and keep skin plump, supple and smooth. And honestly, I like the shade 02 Pink Ribbon because that gives very natural finish. So I have tried my best to provide you guys the USPs of the sunscreen. Also shared my favorite shade, and please just comment below which shade you like the most.
So that's all. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope कि video आप लोगों के लिए beneficial हो. Do watch this video before buying this beautiful sunscreens. So yeah, and if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and relatives. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon, and I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. Tab tak stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.